Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I appreciate it. Oreo's jumping up here. Do you want everybody to see you and say hi? Boy, here we go. Okay. She just wanted to say hi real fast. Right? You're going to go lay down? Okay. She wants me for whatever reason. Go. Which I don't blame her. She's been busy today, so I haven't had too much time to spend with her. So in here, you get a return mailer, USPS, for anything you don't want to keep. You just send it back to them. And here we get an invoice. This is Stitch Fix 93, I do believe. It's going to make sure I have the same stylist. Yes, Sarah Beth. Thank goodness. And you do get a preview, so you can, pick your items. Here's a little sneak peek. That's side, and this side always comes nicely bundled in the box. So we'll get rid of the box. And we'll open this and see what we have. And when I do the try-on, I'll look at the sheet for prices. This way, I don't know what the prices are right off the bat. So what I'm going to do is just put this behind me. First item is from Flag and Anthem, if I'm not mistaken. Adelaide plaid knit button-down shirt, light pink medium. Oh, this is soft. Ooh. Wow. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. This is beautiful. It's definitely feels like more flannel-like than the previous one. Buttons. Just your typical, shirt like that. That's cute. I don't know if I need another one, though. I did. The other one was not as thick as this. This might be expensive. Flag and Anthem is, but that's beautiful. I love pink. So let's see what's next. We have Threads for Thought, Nyla, Feather Fleece, Half Zip Sweatshirt, dark green medium. Right here. Oh, that's nice. It's like a mock neck, long sleeve, banded cuff there. Straight back, like the zip. The only thing that I don't like is, and this might not be an issue, is there's like a drawstring bottom, but that doesn't seem to be an issue. That's nice too. I'm just folding them up nice. I'll put them on the side of me here. What do we have here? Ooh, cardigan. Market and Spruce Elena ribbed button down midi cardigan, light gray, medium, petite. I love. Right here, so it is a shorter one, which is great with jeans sometimes. Nice to dress up, nice long, banded cuff, and regular sweater back, and then this is like the ribbed in the front. I like that also. Okay, what's this? So far, I like everything. It's just, how's it going to fit? From pink Atlas long sleeve sweater, off-white medium. Oh, that's pretty too. I think I saw this in preview and said send it, just because I thought this could be dressier than, just putting a regular sweater on. And it's just a nice design. Let me show it to you. Normal, ribbed bottom. Oh, I do like that too. Okay. Now, what are we? Bare bottoms. And these are Under Armour Heat Gear Armor Pant blue medium. These might be expensive. I wanted like a pair, and let's get rid of tags, of blue joggers, and that is a working tie there. There are pockets, and these are more like silkier, which is not bad. My black ones are silkier. Joggers, banded bottom. Are there pockets in the back? I don't like pockets in the back. No, just a straight pocket, and then the Under Armour logo is on that leg there, or hip. I don't see it anywhere else. No. Which is good. I don't know if I like the material, but won't know till I try it on. So let me move all this stuff back to the box, because Oreo is now laying where I put the clothes normally. So give me just a second. I'll reset everything up and I'll come back with the try-on. So I have the first top on. Ooh, well, this isn't that bad. Flag and Anthem, and this is the plaid knit button down shirt, light pink medium, $69.54 Flag and Anthem, not bad. I have 2 buttons undone. You could just do one if you wanted. I love a collared shirt. Everything fits fine. Not too long in the sleeve or baggy or like bulky. This is perfect. And I have leggings on today, so this would be perfect with leggings. I could wear this with jeans. You know, the fit is actually pretty perfect. And this is warm. Now today here it's cold. I don't know what our temperature is today. But this would be wonderful for today because I had a short sleeve shirt on because I had a jacket on. But this would be perfect for weather like today. And a lot of times I have a vest on, like a lined vest, that this would be perfect because you need something warmer on your arms when you wear a vest. A lot of times I have a sweatshirt on, or like I have a t-shirt on and throw a hoodie on and then the vest so that your arms are warm. Well, I wouldn't need to do that with this. This is such a pretty, pretty combination. I love the pinks. So I'm happy with that. Next, we're going to give this a try and see what I think of this one. The mock neck. Let's get this out of the way. Right here. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, top number 2. Threads for Thought. And this is the fleece half zip. Medium, $75. Ooh, that's a lot of money. And considering it's nice, but is it $75 nice? I don't know. I mean, the bottom is not tight at all, as you can see, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Fit is good. Like, I would not mock this up as a high neck. I have it folded down. You can unzip it as low as you want, bring it up as high as you want. Here's the back. You know, there is room. Sleeve length is perfect. None of these are petites, right? These are all just, only one is petite. So, like sleeve length is really fine. Usually everything is too long. So this is expensive. Do I like it? Yes. Do I love the color? Yes. I have dark green nail polish on. So it's not that I don't like the green. It's just not crazy about the price overall. Just trying to look here. I mean, I would save, if I bought everything, the discount is almost $70. So, that kind of makes up for something as expensive. Is there something? Yeah, I don't want to look at all the prices yet, but this is the most expensive item in the box, I think. Yeah, most expensive thing. Okay, I'm confused. So I might I'm going to save this just because I want to put my own top back on. I'm going to try this on next and see what I think about this. I love this. Now I have leggings on today. And the length is falls right at the top of my thighs. Would I wear this with leggings? Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty much covered. So this is from Pink. This is off-white medium. This is only $49. So that's very good for Stitch Fix. Sleeves are fine. You know, a little bit more room in the cardigan, but I love the print of it. It's slightly longer in the back, which is fine, than the front, but not by much. But it's, you know, there's plenty of room. It's not anything tight. I could wear this with jeans. Could I dress this up? Yes. Am I going to wear it with leggings? You better believe I am. So that's that. So I might come back well, I'm going to come back with my own shirt on because it's short sleeve. And then I'm going to try this cardigan on because I think this will be a keeper for sure. I don't think I have light gray. I know I have darks, a lot of darks. So light gray might be nice. So I'll be right back with you. I decided to try the cardigan on without anything just to see, because the last cardigan I was able to wear as a shirt, as a cardigan, things like this. I probably would not. It's a little low for me for comfort. Like if I'm wearing a cardigan, I'm usually cold. Could I put on, you know, a cami or a tank? Yeah, I could. And this would be, you know, fine that way. And sometimes the half camis. So this is Market and Spruce, the button down cardigan, light gray, medium, petite, $26.99. You can't beat the price. I love it. Like if, you know, if the sleeves were too long, which they're not, you know, you could cuff them up. I think it's fine the way it is. Not overly bulky. I think the fit is perfect, just the way it is. Probably would wear it as a cardigan and unbutton it and have something on underneath of it. So this is a keeper for sure. I love this. And then the last thing, now I can close my drawer, is the Under Armour joggers. So let's give these a try and see what I think. So I have the Under Armour blue, navy blue medium joggers on $55, which I don't think is all that for Under Armour, because Under Armour is very expensive. I like them. I just have to decide if I like the material or not. The fit is good, you know, at the waist. Everything is good. It's is it above my belly button? Right at my belly button. Pockets seem like low, but still comfortable. Plenty of room. Like there's room in the legs. You know, I could wear a t-shirt with, you know, here's the bottom there. They're fine. I mean, I just have to, my black ones are not, I would pull out my black ones. They're not as like shiny and as silky feeling, but very similar. And I like them. And I think I got them from Stitch Fix, so I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I might keep these. The price isn't bad whatsoever. So let me put my leggings back on. You know, so far I like everything. So once again, I love everything in my box. Let me put my own leggings back on and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, my final thoughts. I did read my note. It is Sarah Beth again, like I told you. She's been like killing my boxes lately. I can't remember the last multiples, 3, 4. This might be the 5th one that I've kept the entire box. So the Stylus Pick subtotals $275.49. That's a little bit expensive a box for me. Discount of buy all 5, you save 25%, $68.87. That makes that top way more affordable by doing that. I have a $20 styling fee, so my entire box would be $186.62. I've kept boxes for around that price. I would like my end total for a keep about $150, $160. So it's not too far off. Is there anything in here that you think I shouldn't keep? I mean, I really don't know. I don't have to keep everything, but the things that I love would wind up, you know, up there in price. I must well keep it all. I would wear everything in there, including the joggers. You know, I mean, like I said, I have leggings that are that shiny black material that are regular leggings, so why wouldn't I wear them? Like I was thinking, I don't think I would wear them, but I would, because I looked at my other leggings. You get a 3-pack off of Amazon. They're high-waisted, so they hold you in a little bit, and they're comfortable. They don't, you know, they fit nice. I think the ones that I got, I think Kelly Strack recommended them, and I thought, like, ordered 2 packs already. One prior, when she first mentioned it, and then right before the holidays, I got another 3-pack because they're just so comfortable. They wash well. I hang them to dry. I don't throw them in the dryer. I don't like to dry darks for the entire time. It fades the black, the blues, the grays. So I just hang them, and then at the end throw them in, you know, soften them up, any wrinkles out. And they're so affordable. And it's the same material as the Under Armour leggings. So, you know, if you want to know about the leggings, I've worn them when I've filmed. You know, just maybe not have mentioned them. I can, if you let me know, I can send you a link for them. They're affordable. You get 3 of them. And they're just phenomenal. I highly recommend them. They're probably one of the best. I have, like I said, I have 6 pair. Can only wear 1 a day. So a lot of times, you know, like 3 or 4 days of the week, I'm throwing on a pair of those leggings. They're just so comfortable. And I like that they go up higher. Like these are a little bit higher waisted. They go up higher so that it, you know, just holds you in, gives you a little bit more shape. You know, still working on a little bit of a belly there. It's not much left there, but, you know, it's just perseverance and persistence and, you know, all that good stuff. So I think I'm going to keep the entire box, but I want to hear your thoughts. Do you think I should keep everything in the box? And that's all I have today. Thank you all for watching. I'm glad that a lot of you made it to the very end here with me. So let me know about the gray cardigan too. If you know, I would open that up and wear it as a cardigan. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week for more videos.